Welcome back to Overheat. Despite Audi's reputation for luxury automobiles, the 2026 Audi RV concept that has been circulating online has attracted a lot of attention. Here is a detailed description based on the available material. The 2026 Audi Motorhome is a luxurious vehicle for long-distance travel that combines the comforts of home with Audi's well-known cutting-edge technologies. The goal is to provide an unmatched travel experience with a focus on luxury, innovation, and sustainability. Crucial characteristics: beautiful interior design. It looks like an extravagant Audi living room on wheels thanks to the interior's luxurious furnishings, which include leather, Alcantara, and sustainable wood accents. The fully digital interface in the driver's cockpit includes a large, curved OLED display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The captain's chair is ergonomically designed and includes the ability to massage and heat. The living room includes a beautifully designed kitchenette with a tiny refrigerator, sink, and retractable induction cooktop. Modular seating configuration can be made into a comfortable bed. The bathroom boasts a space-saving shower and a stylish vanity mirror with integrated lighting. Innovative technology: smart home technologies that keep everything connected and convenient include voice-activated lighting, climate control, and advanced infotainment systems. Passengers may be able to relax on highway or even difficult terrain journeys thanks to advanced autonomous driving features by storing and transferring electricity. Audi's V2G vehicle 2-grid technology turns the vehicle into an off-grid powerhouse that encourages eco-friendly travel, efficiency, and performance. The hybrid engine technology strikes a balance between power and energy efficiency. Audi offers outstanding handling and dependability on a variety of surfaces thanks to its quattro all-wheel drive system and adjustable air suspension. Off-road ability that can effortlessly traverse mountain roads, rough highways, and city streets.